What did it do? Hello. We weren't sure the camera was going, sorry. I've got a haul from St. Vincent. Yes. Blue tags were 50 off. I think I only got one blue tag. I got this fake, what is this thing? Orchid. To put, I'm going to rip it out of this container and I'm going to stick it in my tiki display. I'm going to see if I think I might have to have Mr. Retro's bang on that to get it out of there. Yeah. Yeah, it seems like it's glued in there. So we'll see. And then throw the rest out. So it was only $1.50. So it's not as nice of a one as this, but I think it'll look okay. So I don't have any flowers in the yard now. Everything's bloomed out and that's it. It's kind of hot too. So that's $1.50. Oh, I got this beauty. Taz Angel Topper. Look.
Tree topper.
Yeah, I'll get it out of here. It was $5.99. These dumb things actually go between $25 and $40 on eBay.
That's beautiful.
It is. It's beautiful. Look how nice he is. I don't know. Let's see. It's
his wings out.
No, they're supposed to be like that, I think.
Oh.
See?
Oh, really?
I think,
Oh.
yeah, I think they're supposed to be bent.
Oh, okay.
I'm pretty sure. I might have to look him
I
up.
don't want to screw it
Yeah,
up.
I don't want to ruin his beauty. Oh, look his tail! Oh, that's a nice touch, actually. Yes, and he's got this goofy jacket on. I don't know. It's from '95, so that. Yeah,
That's pretty cool.
it is actually very cool. You know, I'm kind of tempted to do a whole tree around it.
Make it a
You know.
Taz Christmas.
It would be neat, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Something to think about between, 'cause Christmas is coming fast. People are putting up their Halloween stuff and their Limax displays and
Yeah.
everything right now.
And he has his
It's
box.
almost September. Yeah, and he has the box. So he's pretty snazzy. I don't know. So he's something to think about. And let's see what else. Oh, we got this. This is a great big giant. It's got a little mark on here. Oh, what do they call this?
Luminary.
It's a Luminaria, which is a nice expensive one. They sell at Pottery Barn. This is like the honeycomb, and I guess you can kind of see it. It's
Yeah,
got a little
yeah.
mark here. I can get that off. And it's this. You can always tell they have this neat thing. It's got a dent there, but that's no big whoop. And it was $1.99, which is awesome. I didn't even test it. Oh no, it's not working. Yeah, I have some of these on the mantle. I love them, but this is a nice big one. Might be very nice at Christmas or for the fall. Oh, $2 is really good for that. Then I got, we got this. I have those little labels from my honey pot
Capella
flea
Slayer
market
cannery.
where the cannery is. And I have some cannery labels. Somebody's digging on the Coco. Somebody's digging on my couch. So I think we can fit both labels in here. And it's just a plain, it's a little Marshall's frame and it was $1.99. And it's easy to get into with these little jobbies. So that makes it good too. So $2 on that. Oh, I got this purse. I thought this purse was kind of cool. It doesn't have a mark on it, and it appears to be leather from everything I can see. It was $6. There's no mark that I can see. I was digging around, but see, it's leather. Yeah, it's just nice. I always like leather. It's like laminated leather. Yeah, it is. But it's kind of a neat design, so I'll be trying this out next week, see how I like it. It's kind of a fun design. $6 on that, and this cup, $2, Starbucks. It's dirty inside. Somebody used it for pens, and it's from 2008. 2008? No, 2006. Yes. Oh, yes. There it is. Holiday. but I'm having a nice collection of Christmas ones now too. So I like that. So that's all I got at the thrifts. Then I was going to show you what I've been working on. Like I said, Christmas is a-coming.
These are really cool.
So this is new for 2020.
What? Oh.
This is my Grinch section. They're just chenille stems.
Let me see his face.
Oh, here's his face. And there's the back. There's the lawn gnomes out there making noise. I printed the heads and then I just put them on the chenille bodies. So the Grinch is brand new. I like the Grinch. I think he came out cute. I'm thinking of doing a Michael Myers and maybe a Jason one for Halloween. You know? So, and then as we go around, I have them in sections. This is obviously Frankenstein. He's ready for Christmas. He's got a little bell and a chain. He broke loose. He's always breaking loose in those movies. You know?
Yeah.
It's like, secure him, people. He's loose.
Thinking a good door with a lock, you know.
Maybe you gotta reinforce your doors a little. I don't know.
Really?
I'm no door expert, but a monster getting loose is not cool. And then these are my Krampus.
Oh,
you know,
regular Krampus.
regular Krampus. You know, he's you can, if you don't know who he is, you can Google him. Krampus with a K, and he's got this little switches. Those are switches for spanking bad kids.
Right.
And if you're really bad, you get stuck in here and taken off. The Krampus movie was really good, by the way. It was quite good. So, and Krampus is always popular. And then lastly, I have some creatures. I like Frankenstein and the creature the best of the monsters.
Creature from the Christmas Lagoon.
Yes, Christmas
creature.
Yeah, creature. So that's what I'm working on.
Cool.
And, yeah, I'm thinking about Michael Myers and Jason. Oh, gosh.
Ready?
I'm back. So we had a barking interlude here. So I've got these done for Christmas. So we'll see how these go. And then my next project, I didn't bring my phone, but I got these, it's sort of velvety stuff. They're from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to put some felt faces on them. Like I did some trees and, yeah, let me stop it and I'll show you. Back again, sorry. These are the kind of faces that I'm talking about, see? That I'm going to put on these pumpkins and see how they look. Might be good, might end up in the landfill. We never know. Oops. So that's my project for now. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.